Hi guys, this is Maddie with Brinkley RV. Here we are in a Model I 265. When you first walk in, you're going to notice how residential this place feels. It feels just like home. How do we do that? Using our CraftSense construction. When you're looking at our fascia trim, you'll notice that there's not going to be any nail holes or putty marks. We do the same technology on our window frames as well. Not only does this allow us to remove valances that can be annoying, it also allows us to utilize frameless windows. Walking into this beautiful residential kitchen in the Model I 265, we utilize CraftSense construction in our hardwood cabinet doors and drawers. Our drawers utilize the dovetailed construction, making it nice and sturdy. And then up top, we've got hardwood cabinet doors with soft close hinges and a magnetic catch.